We're an international sixth form college with 380 students from all over the world, so our students come from 80 countries. We are deliberately diverse and we aim to use education as a force to unite people and nations and cultures for peace and sustainability. And we work with Flogas because we're in a rural location here in South Wales, and we rely on our energy suppliers to keep us operating 24/7 every day of the year.
Atlantic College was an interesting and challenging site to work on, and the collaboration, I think, between DCC, you've got your Gen, you've got Protech, you've got Flogas all working together, and it's got to work seamlessly so everything's working on time.
As a college we have 6 guiding principles, one of which is sustainability, and we do try to make the right and sustainable decision at all times. We have a very ambitious 10-year strategy which includes in it requirement to reduce our carbon emissions by 50% by 2032 and to achieve net zero by 2040. To get there is going to take an enormous amount of investment and a lot of change to our systems, and we're very much in the enabling phase now. So our campus does present some challenges. It's 122 acres, it includes an 800-year-old castle, which is always a challenge from a maintenance and heating perspective. We decided to move to the new combined heat and power system as part of our enabling phase for our energy master plan in pursuit of carbon reductions. We have a very limited electrical capacity, so it was impossible to install new systems. So we needed to take steps that would create some additional headroom and capacity for us. We're also a really good application for a combined heat and power system because we have swimming pools which require heating all year round, and we have a very vast summer program, so there's a need for hot water through the entire summer. It's also backed up by a really robust maintenance plan where it's being monitored externally, and it's really helpful to us to know that this system is being monitored and maintained in a way that is going to keep it online and keeping our systems heated.
It was up to us to make sure everything pulled together at the right time. You know, we had different contractors there. We had Gen, we had electrical contractors, we had IT contractors as well working on it. We had to pull them all together at the same time, constantly updating the client with the progress. I think the best aspect of this one was there were so many different reasons we could go, different avenues we could go, but it had to be calculated what was best for both a carbon footprint and cost for the client.
One of the key things to make a project like this work is the business case. So from our energy partner, from Flogas, we needed a really good understanding of the design of the system, what benefits it would bring, what the return on investment would look like. It's much easier for our governors to make significant investments in infrastructure when they really know what benefit it's going to bring to our students and to the college, and also what the return on investment and payback period is going to look like.
Flogas supports customers in energy changeovers by finding a bespoke solution that's tailored to the customer's needs, because it's not an off-the-shelf solution. Equipment that's already installed is ready to go. There's no disruption for the customer. We've put the infrastructure in so that we can keep going as and when they give us the heads up to look at the next project.
One of the main factors and motivators for using the system is its capability of working with biofuels. So we've started looking at the blend of fuels that is right for us and the greenhouse gas emission savings that will result from that. And when the timing is right for us, we will make that transition to a blended biofuel, and then over time see the increase in the percentage of the biofuel contribution to our fuel mix.
Biofuel ready means that in the future, with the fuels changing, technology changing, with a couple of wee tweaks in the CHP machine, it can be ready for whatever fuels is going to be there. This is all about the transition to net zero. Whether it take a decade or it takes a couple of decades, we'll get there.
This kind of installation is the platform on which other future developments are going to be built, and we see this as being absolute key to our energy master plan and our efforts in reducing our emissions.
I think the partnership works so well because of the values that we've both shared together. Coming from the very beginning, the safety, the culture, everything to do with it. Get us involved, let us consult with you. No two projects are the same. Let's see what's best outcome for you and your goal to reach net zero.